The lights inside the Las Vegas Convention Center dim not all at once but gradually, like a city falling asleep. The low hum of thousands of conversations fades into a nervous hush. Camera shutters stop clicking. Phones remain raised, but no one speaks. The massive LED wall behind the stage glows a deep industrial blue, textured like brushed steel. A single word pulses slowly at the center of the screen. Atlas. No tagline, no logo, just the name. A faint mechanical sound rolls through the hall, not loud, not dramatic, a subtle whir like distant machinery waking up somewhere behind the walls. People lean forward in their seats. Engineers recognize the sound instantly. It's not theatrical audio, it's real. A voice begins, calm, grounded, unmistakably human. For decades we've taught machines to move. Today they learn why they move. The screen fades to black. A spotlight ignites at stage left, and Atlas walks out, not storms out, not marches. Walks casually, confidently, like it has done this 1,000 times before. This is not the Atlas people remember. Gone is the exaggerated sway. Gone is the overcorrecting balance. Gone is the sense that any misstep could send it crashing into an expensive pile of titanium and wires. This Atlas walks with a relaxed center of gravity, arms swinging naturally, feet landing with quiet certainty. Each step is deliberate, efficient, almost human. You can hear it, the absence of sound. No loud hydraulics, no aggressive hissing, just soft actuator motion and the subtle compression of synthetic foot pads against the stage floor. A ripple moves through the audience, not applause yet, but disbelief. Atlas stops center stage, it looks out. And for the first time at CES 2026, a machine does not feel like a demo, it feels like a presence. The narrator continues. This is Atlas, Boston Dynamics' most advanced humanoid robot ever built, fully electric, fully autonomous, designed not to impress, but to work. The LED wall explodes into life, showing a rapid montage: factories, disaster zones, construction sites, logistics centers, homes. Atlas appears in each environment, not as a hero shot, but as a participant, lifting, carrying, stabilizing, adapting. Back on stage, Atlas turns slightly, adjusting its stance. The movement isn't programmed flair, it's micro-optimization, weight distribution, energy conservation, real-time inference. An engineer steps onto the stage, not a CEO, not a hype man wearing jeans and a simple black shirt. The crowd recognizes the message immediately. This is not marketing, this is engineering. We didn't teach Atlas choreography, the engineer says. We taught it physics, intent, and consequence. He gestures to a large crate being wheeled onto the stage. Atlas doesn't follow scripts, it reasons. The crate opens. Inside, chaos, uneven concrete blocks, twisted metal beams, a surface deliberately designed to be unstable, unpredictable, hostile to balance, the kind of environment robots usually avoid. Atlas steps forward. No countdown, no warning. It looks down not with eyes narrowing, but with senses evaluating depth, texture, friction, weight distribution. Its foot touches the first block. The surface shifts. Atlas compensates instantly. A knee bends, an ankle rolls. The torso adjusts by fractions of a degree. These are not pre-recorded motions. This is live problem-solving at 500 Hz. The crowd gasps as Atlas steps fully onto the rubble. Then another step, and another. At one point a block collapses under its foot. Atlas stumbles just slightly, and then recovers. Not with a dramatic windmill of arms, but with a subtle, efficient correction that tells every roboticist in the room exactly how far this system has come. This is not balance. This is understanding. The narrator's voice lowers. For years, the question wasn't, can robots move like humans? The real question was, can they decide like humans? The screen shifts to a live telemetry feed, force vectors, joint torques, predictive models scrolling in real time. Atlas isn't reacting to the present, it's predicting the future. A new object is introduced, a long, awkward steel beam. Two humans struggle to lift it. Atlas approaches, no command is spoken. It observes the human's posture, the strain in their arms, the tilt of the beam. Atlas positions itself, not directly opposite, but slightly offset, optimizing load distribution. It grips the beam, and lifts. The humans adjust instinctively. For a brief moment, something extraordinary happens. They are working with the robot, not around it. The beam rises smoothly. No jerks, no sudden corrections. Just cooperation. The audience applauds not because it looks cool, but because it feels inevitable, like watching the future quietly arrive without asking permission. Then the screen cuts to black. Silence. The narrator asks the question everyone has been thinking. So who builds the future of humanoid robotics? The word Hyundai appears on screen. A montage follows Hyundai factories across the world, automated lines, autonomous vehicles, logistics hubs. Atlas integrates seamlessly into these environments, moving parts, assisting workers, adapting to layouts that change daily. Hyundai didn't buy Boston Dynamics to make videos. They bought it to make systems. But before the thought settles, the screen glitches. A sharp, clean cut. The word TESLA flashes. A murmur ripples through the hall. The screen shows Tesla's Optimus, sleek, minimalist, controlled, performing predefined tasks with elegance and precision. The narrator doesn't criticize, they don't praise, they compare. Tesla builds robots like cars. Boston Dynamics builds robots like animals. Split screen. Optimus lifts a box perfectly aligned, perfectly predictable. Atlas lifts a box, then another, then adjusts when the weight shifts unexpectedly. One excels in structured worlds.